Sanmonani guys, welcome back to yet another episode recap of Utando Nestembu. On the last episode, people were not happy with something that Umnini said on the show. Umnini basically said that girls are like buses. Anyone who has money can get Angai Gibela. Anyone who has money can get onto the bus, quite frankly. And they were coming for him because no one, or a lot of people did not make a fuss over the fact that Umnini uttered such statements or such a statement out of his mouth. But then again, guys, how can we be surprised? It is not a far-fetched concept for Umnini to think of women like that or girls like that, though he's at a younger age. But if you look at the men that Umnini looks up to, which is his father is a polygamist. His brother, which is Umpumelelo, he's a polygamist as well. So chances are he's going to look at that image and see it as a beautiful thing to want to pursue women, and that the only way you can really pursue women and win any woman over is through money. Now, a lot of the reality show watchers were not happy about the fact that Owami no Mawande, which is Maklele's daughter, and Mangwabe's daughter, the last time when they had a meeting with Umaklele about Unini and the phone and all of that, basically social media came for the children besithi ukuthi zakhohlakala ingane. But yet they feel that when Kim Tumnini sang the statement, people just laughed it off just because he's a male child. So the double standards there that we see even amongst people or society, people in our society, that they feel like it's a norm for a boy child to say certain things and he can get away with it, as opposed to if it's a girl child who says certain things or is not okay with certain things, then we want to make noise. But another thing also that viewers were just, not happy about was the fact that ifamily yawamsele would they like speaking indaba zabantu abadala phambi kwengane in front of the children. On this last episode, Makhumalo ukhiphe indaba Mpumelelo, the one of the tape with Queen Loliwe. She took out that conversation, or she brought up that conversation while the children were there. And it was such an awkward situation because people were like, why would you bring up that conversation yet tape pamwengan, and these kids, like, they pick up like so quickly, like children like Umnini is fast, he's sharp, so you can't like afford to utter stuff recklessly in front of the kids. But you know what? I don't think it's nothing new. In the past seasons, in the past episodes, we see like it's a norm to bring up indaba zabantu abadala in front of the kids, and the kids just sits there awkwardly. Even when Bob Msilik was speaking about Mangwabe, ukuthi Mangwabe from Shai Sandla, Mangwabe that did not fulfill her wifely duties. Ulukuzana, ingane kaMakhumalo, the girl child, she was sitting there. Yes, she's a bit older than the other kids, but still, it's still a conversation that's inappropriate, according to me, to have in front of children. And I don't think if family Agamsili sees the big whoop, because we've seen this over and over again, where like sensitive conversations and conversations that's supposed to be had amongst adults only is being had in front of kids. And guys, maybe they see that there's nothing wrong with it, or maybe they feel like vele they're going to find out about it, or maybe they feel like vele like it's something eyaziwayo, I don't know. But we just feel like as viewers, there's certain things, certain conversations you can have amongst kids. I feel like even the fact that Umnini is comfortable in saying, uttering such words about girls is because in their family, obviously it's a family esteem. He doesn't see anything wrong with it. He doesn't see anything wrong with it. And I can't blame him because such conversations are forever had around him. I'm sure one of Nini's visions, is to also one day have many girlfriends and have many wives so that he can also push the vision of his father. Umnini, like I see a lot of similarities in Umnini noMphumelelo. One thing about ingane zaka Mayeni, they are very they honor their father. They honor and they've got this great respect for their father. And I think because that they have that great respect for their father, they really wanna push the vision which the father has laid on the table, which is to extend the clan name, to extend the family name. And so I think we're gonna be seeing Umnini, if it does happen that we get to see if the show continues to air for that long, I think we're gonna see Umnini play out the role of Umpumelian. But anyway, guys, please do tell me what you guys think of this whole thing of the children in Kansas Tembo. Would you like how the family Awamsile just utters and speaks recklessly in front of the kids? Like, what do you think about it? Do you think it's a norm in black cultures? And yeah, please do make sure that you like the video and subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.